Hello, dear kids. How do you do all? I was no long to see you. I was on a travel to my travelage to Turkey, so I didn't I didn't say sung a poem for you. So I was still very busy, but now I'm back, and today, uh, do you know who am I? Yes, I'm your mentor English. I'm your mentor English. I'm your mentor English, and my complete name is Professor MA Raza. And I have many channels like Mentor English for teachers, for your teachers and your parents, Mentor Urdu also for your teachers and parents, Mentor Turkish also for Turkish lovers, Mentor Arabic also for Arabic learner and lovers, and uh, CSS channel Afkar Jadida for CSS attempting channel, and my this channel Kids Global TV for the kids of the world. Okay, and Palia TV 1 is also a channel for my paternal village and paternal town and Tehsil Palia, district Mandi Baudin. But today I have a very great, I have a very special poem for you. Imagine. The poem title is Imagine. The poem name is Imagine. So let's get started. Let's say with me. Let's sing with me. Imagine, imagine, imagine. Imagine, imagine, imagine. Imagine, imagine, imagine. Imagine, imagine, imagine. Imagine a snail. Imagine a snail. Imagine a snail as big as a whale, as big as a whale, as big as a whale, as big as a whale. Imagine a snail as big as a whale. Imagine a lark. Imagine a lark as big as a shark, as big as a shark, as big as a shark, as big as a shark. Imagine a bee, 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 as big as a tree, 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 as big as a tree. Imagine a toad, 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 as long as a road, as long as a road, as long as a road, as long as a road. Imagine a toad as long as a road. Imagine, imagine, imagine a hare. Imagine a hare. Imagine a hare. Imagine a hare as big as a chair, 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 as big as a chair. Imagine a goat. Imagine a goat. Imagine a goat. Imagine a goat as long as a boat, as long as a boat, as long as a boat. Imagine a goat as long as a boat. Imagine a goat as long as a boat. Imagine a goat as long as a boat. And a flea the same size as me. And a flea the same size as me. And a flea the same size as me, 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 and a flea the same size as me. Now quickly have a two or two rhyming words. Do you know what are the rhyming words? They are look like same in speaking or writing. They are look like same in speaking or writing. For example, snail, whale, snail, whale. Speak up with me. Snail, whale, whale, snail, snail, whale, whale, snail, snail, whale, whale, snail. Lark, shark, shark, lark, lark, shark, lark, shark, lark, shark, shark, lark. The next is bee and tree, 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 bee and tree. Imagine a bee as big as a tree. Bee, tree. Toad, road, toad, road. Toad is like a road, road is like a toad, as a rhyming word, 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 as a rhyming word. And then here and chair, here and chair. Here is also a rhyming word, and on the same pattern chair is also a rhyming word. Bee, tree, toad, road, here and chair. 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 So what are the next? What are the next? What are the next? Next is goat and boat, goat and boat, goat and boat. And then flea and me. Goat on the same pattern rhyming word is boat, goat and boat, goat and boat, and boat and goat, boat and goat, goat and boat, boat and goat, goat and boat, boat and goat, boat and goat, goat and boat. Okay, and the next one is flea and me, 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 flea and me. Flea is a rhyming word, and the same pattern me is also on the same pattern where we can stand and where we can put flea. So road, toad road, here chair, got boat, flea and me, flea and me, flea and me, flea and me. Dear watcher, dear subscriber, dear kids, oh lovely kids, do you know who am I? I'm your mentor English, Professor MA Raza. So, do you share me that have you subscribed the kids circus? Have you subscribed our global kids TV channel handle kids circus, and subscribe and hit the bell icon? Not yet. Oh no, when will you do it? Today will you do it? Now you will do it. Okay, subscribe and hit the bell icon of Kids Circus channel handle, and by the nameplate Global Kids TV, and in Arabic Talika and Takhlikate Almi Atfal, Takhlikat Almi Atfal, Takhlikat Almi Atfal. Now, let me go now. I'm leave me and let me go now, and mentor English Professor M. Raza, and say with me, Do something more for humanity. Do something more for knowledge and practices. Do something more for knowledge and practices. Have a good day.